Welcome to 31 Taylor Road, a beautiful 3+1 bedroom backsplit home with 2 washrooms situated on a premium-sized 164-foot pie-shaped lot within South Ajax's sought-after Southwood neighbourhood. A decorative glass-paneled door with a transom partially encloses a breezeway that connects the home to the single-car garage, allowing for covered access year-round to it as well as providing access to the backyard. And through the side entry door is an open-concept main level with gorgeous contemporary chandeliers illuminating each of the elegant entertaining spaces. Finished with dark-stained hardwood flooring throughout, a large bow window with a southwesterly exposure allows for abundant natural lighting, while a dark feature wall in the living room adds depth to the space, contrasting beautifully with the surrounding light-colored walls. And the chandeliers in both the kitchen and in the dining room have the elegant finishing accent of medallions. The kitchen has a cool modern design with warm traditional details and showcases a stainless steel double undermount sink and appliances including a French door fridge, built-in dishwasher and microwave, as well as an oven with smooth surface cooktop. The backsplashes are tiled with marble. The white cabinetry has a stained wood accent trim on the upper cabinets as well as undermount lighting, and the base cabinets as well as a contrasting furniture-style center island with seating are finished with dark stone counters. To all levels are stairs finished with dark hardwood treads and white risers, and the upper level is finished with hardwood flooring throughout, with marble floor and wall tiles showcased in the beautifully appointed 4-piece washroom. Its furniture-style vanity is finished with a marble counter, undermount basin, and a wood-trimmed mirror with matching mirrored toiletry cabinets. And this spa-like washroom also features a bath and shower area with an air bubble tub, as well as crown moldings, pot lighting, and a linen closet right outside its door. All the bedrooms are quite spacious, have large windows for abundant natural brightness, wood French door entries with opaque glass inserts, and ample closet space, with the closet in the third bedroom having mirrored doors, as does the master bedroom's double closet, with this space also featuring a lovely chandelier with a medallion, as well as backyard views. The 2 lower levels bring additional living space to the home, with the first of these levels featuring a large family recreation area with a French door entry, pot lighting, an oversized basement window, and laminate flooring. High-quality vinyl flooring finishes a 3-piece washroom, and a combined utility, laundry, and furnace room that has a stacked front-load washer and dryer and walk-up access to the backyard, while the washroom showcases a vanity with stone counter and glass vessel basin, as well as a tiled shower area with glass door. The basement level is also finished with laminate flooring and features a storage room off the landing, a spacious bonus room with a good-sized closet, as well as an equally spacious bedroom with 2 closets and pot lighting. The fully fenced backyard is a premium-sized outdoor space that is a true joy for summertime fun and entertaining. The 20 by 40 foot in-ground pool has an updated cement bottom and deck, 12-foot Roman end steps, liner and pump, and next to it is a custom cabana with an outdoor fire pit. The cabana measures 8 by 12 feet but has a full roof line of 22 feet, with 10 feet covering a concrete patio that is ideal as a bar or outdoor dining area. And a semicircular decorative block wall surrounds a legal gas fire pit open to the cabana. The cabana itself has an 8-foot wide roll door opened either remotely or with a security keypad, is fully finished inside with vinyl plank flooring, painted drywall and trim, and also includes a TV, an internal overhead light, a switch for external lighting, as well as several receptacles. And for seasonal outdoor storage, 2 sheds are located at the rear of the property. A short walk to Southwood Park Public and Ajax High Schools, both which are French immersion. This home is also walking or biking distance to Ajax's breathtaking waterfront parks, trails, and beaches, is just a short drive to the GO station, as well as numerous plazas along Bailey Street East and Kingston Road to satisfy shopping needs, and has quick access to Highway 401. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.